Hey guys, Justine here. So, today we're going to talk about something super cool and honestly life-changing. I am talking about Google Wallet. Imagine leaving your big, bulky wallet at home and just carrying your phone. Sounds amazing, right? Well, that's exactly what Google Wallet lets you do. It's a digital wallet that lives right on your Android phone, and it can hold your credit cards, debit cards, loyalty cards, and even your plane tickets. It's like your physical wallet, but way smarter and so much more convenient. I literally use it everywhere I go, from grabbing coffee to shopping for new tech. It just makes paying for things so fast and simple. First things first, you need to get the app on your phone. It's so easy, I promise. Grab your Android phone and look for the Google Play Store icon. It's that little colorful triangle. Tap on it to open it up. Once you're in the Play Store, you'll see a search bar at the very top. Just tap on that search bar and type in Google Wallet. See? Simple. A bunch of apps might pop up, but you want the one that is officially from Google LLC. It usually has that clean, colorful G logo. This is your gateway to a whole new world of easy payments, so let's get it installed. Once you find the official Google Wallet app, you're going to see a big green button that says Install. You know what to do. Go ahead and tap that button. Your phone will start downloading and installing the app automatically. Depending on your internet speed, this might take a few seconds, or maybe a minute. You can watch the little circle fill up, which is always kind of satisfying, right? After it's done installing, that green button will change and say Open. This is the exciting part. Tap Open, and you'll be launching the Google Wallet app for the very first time. Welcome to the future of paying for stuff. Okay, so you've opened the app. You'll probably be greeted with a welcome screen that gives you a quick tour of what you can do. It will likely ask you to sign in with your Google account, which is the same account you use for Gmail or YouTube. Just follow the on-screen prompts. It's mostly just tapping Next or Continue. This step is super important because it links the wallet to your secure Google account, which helps keep all your information safe. Think of this as setting up the foundation for your new digital financial hub. It's a really secure system, so you can feel good about using it. Now for the fun part, adding your first card. This is where the magic really begins. Inside the Google Wallet app, you're going to see a big, friendly button that says something like Add to Wallet, or it might even show a little plus sign. It's designed to be really obvious, so you can't miss it. Go ahead and give that button a tap. A menu will pop up with a few options. Since we're setting up payments, you'll want to choose the option that says Payment Card. This is how you'll add your credit or debit card so you can start making those super fast tap-to-pay transactions. After you select Payment Card, the app will need to get your card details. Now you have two amazing options here. You can either type in your card number, expiration date, and security code manually, which is totally fine. Or you can use the super cool camera option. The app will ask for permission to use your phone's camera. Just line up your credit or debit card inside the little frame on the screen, and boom! The app will read the numbers for you. It feels like you're in a spy movie. It's that cool. It saves so much time and prevents you from making any typos. Whether you type the details in or use the camera, you're almost done with this step. Next, Google will ask you to review and confirm the information it has captured. Just double-check that your name, card number, and expiration date all look correct. You'll also need to agree to the issuer's terms and conditions. It's standard stuff, just the bank making sure you know how the digital version of your card works. Once you've confirmed everything looks good and you've agreed to the terms, you'll tap a button that says Save or Continue. Your card is now being added to the wallet. Okay, one last little security step. Your bank needs to verify that it's really you adding the card. This is a good thing. It keeps your account safe. The app will give you a few options to verify. It might offer to send a text message with a code to your phone, send an email, or have you log into your banking app. I usually pick the text message option because it's so fast. You'll get a code, type it into the Google Wallet app, and that's it. You'll see a confirmation that your card has been added and is ready to use. Congrats, you did it! So you have your card in your wallet, but there's one more tiny thing we need to check on your phone. It's a setting called NFC, which stands for Near Field Communication. This is the technology that lets your phone talk to the payment terminal at the store. Think of it like Bluetooth, but for very short distances. It's what makes tap to pay possible. Most modern Android phones have it, but we just need to make sure it's turned on. Don't worry, finding this setting is really simple, and you only have to do it once. Let's go find it together right now. To check your NFC setting, you'll want to go to your phone's main settings menu. The easiest way to do this is to swipe down from the top of your screen. You'll see a little gear icon, usually in the top right corner. Tap on that gear to open up your phone's settings. Once you're in there, you'll see a list of different options like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and more. We are looking for something that says connected devices or maybe connections. Tap on that to see more options related to how your phone connects to other things. It's usually the first or second option on the list. Now that you're in the Connections or Connected Devices menu, you should see an option labeled NFC or NFC and contactless payments. See it? Awesome. Tap on it. This will take you to the final screen where you can see if it's on or off. There will be a little toggle switch next to the setting. If the switch is blue or green and slid to the on position, you are all set. Your phone is ready for tap to pay. You don't have to do anything else. If it's gray and in the off position, just tap the switch to turn it on. It should slide over and change color. That's literally it. Your phone is now fully equipped to be your new wallet. With NFC turned on and your card loaded into the Google Wallet app, you have unlocked the superpower of paying with just a tap of your phone. It's going to make checkout lines so much faster and easier for you. You can now close the settings menu and go back to your home screen. The next time you're at a store, you'll be ready to impress the cashier with your tech-savvy payment skills. It feels so futuristic every single time I do it, and I know you're going to love it too. Okay, the moment of truth has arrived. You're at your favorite coffee shop or store, and it's time to pay. This is going to be so much fun. First, look at the credit card reader where you'd normally swipe or insert your card. You're looking for a special symbol. It looks like a little Wi-Fi symbol turned on its side, or sometimes it's the Google Pay logo. This is the contactless payment symbol, and it means the terminal is ready for your phone. Seeing that symbol is your green light to use Google Wallet. These are pretty much everywhere now, so you'll spot them all over the place. When the cashier tells you the total, all you need to do is wake up your phone. You don't even have to open the Google Wallet app. Just unlock your phone using your fingerprint, face unlock, or your PIN code. This is a security feature to make sure it's really you making the payment. Once your phone is unlocked, simply hold the back of your phone near that contactless symbol on the payment terminal. You want to hold it just an inch or two away. You don't have to be super precise, just get it close. It's that simple. Just unlock and hold. You'll feel a little vibration or hear a beep from your phone, and then you'll see a big blue check mark appear on your phone's screen. That check mark is your confirmation that the payment was sent successfully. The payment terminal at the store will also light up or beep and show a message like approved. And that's it. You've just paid for your stuff using your phone. How cool is that? The whole process takes about 2 seconds. It's so much faster than digging for your wallet, finding the right card, and then waiting for the chip reader. So, to recap, paying is as easy as 1, 2, 3. 1. Look for the contactless symbol at checkout. 2. Unlock your phone. 3. Hold your phone near the terminal until you see the check mark. You've now mastered Google Wallet. It's a secure, fast, and super convenient way to handle your daily purchases. I really think you're going to love the freedom of not having to carry a physical wallet everywhere. Just remember to keep your phone's lock screen secure, and you're all set. Go out there and enjoy the magic of tapping to pay.